How to make your phone number private on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to the and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on the phone. This section lets you manage call-related features like call forwarding, call waiting, and caller ID. Now, scroll down to the bottom until you find and tap on the Show My Caller ID option. By default, this is turned on. Tap the switch to turn it off. When the toggle is off, your phone number will be hidden for all future outgoing calls. Following these steps, you can easily make your phone number private on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.